Alrighty then, we find ourselves at Dipcember, hosted by Angela, the inquisitive farm wife. And if you have not subscribed to her channel, you wrong for that, because that girl has mad skills and she's willing to share them. But this is Dipcember, so we need to say Dipcember, 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 Dipcember. It's going to bring you lots of dip recipes for the holidays when you have people over. And in my case, I'm going to do a shrimp scampi dip. And it could not be easier. Not be easier. You know, I'm the KISS principle. Keep it simple, silly. So I'm going to read to you what my ingredients are, because I operate by recipes so that when they're good, I keep them and I don't forget to add something. But Vern is madly growing Meyer lemons, so that's cool. So what I've got is a pound of my local South Carolina coast shrimp that we're going to cook and then chop up. We've got 2 tablespoons of butter, 4 cloves of garlic, chop that super fine, a little finer than what you get in the mixed garlic jars, 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice, and 2 tablespoons of white wine. You don't have to use the white wine, but it adds a great depth of flavor and helps you deglaze your pan. And the alcohol cooks out, so it ain't like you gonna get lit, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't even drink the alcohol, so I'm not scared of it. Then I've got a 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1/2 cup of cream cheese, 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and you need a heavy mayonnaise, and of course I use Duke's, because Duke's is life, okay? Then a 1/2 cup extra sharp cheddar that is finely grated, you know, on the smallest grate on your grater. A tablespoon of parsley. It's our own parsley that we grew and dehydrated this summer. Let's see. Salt, black pepper, and a 1/4 cup shredded white cheese. So it's white cheddar. So I've got a little extra to put on the top. And then I've got my 1/4 here. You don't pack it down in your 1/2 cup in that. So we're going to get started on this. It's dead easy. It would be easier if I weren't recording it, but oh well, I make YouTube videos. And I'm a member, a collaborator of Dipcember. So that means I got to make a video. So if I weren't making this for you, it's like canning. It would be much faster without videoing. But video and playing with you people is fun. So let's get started on our shrimp scampi dip. Oh yeah, keep it South Carolina coastal. And to always get the emails asking if I devein my shrimp. And the answer is yes. Yes, I do. See? Was in the shell, slide it along there, take it out. But I can tell you, when you go to a low country boil, or in Louisiana when we would do the potatoes and everything out in a big turkey cooker, okay, outside, and put crabs in it, we did not devein our shrimp, okay? I grew up eating that, okay, and ain't nothing is wrong with me. So before you email me, I usually get about 9 emails every time. Did you devein your shrimp? Yes. Yes, I did. But I don't care if I don't, but I did, just so you know. No need to email, okay? Alrighty, we've moved over to the stove, and what you're going to use is a heavy saucepan. This is just a Magnolite. I'm going to melt this butter. I'm going to saute the garlic very quickly, and I'm going to add the shrimp, and I'm going to cook them very quickly, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I'm going to remove the shrimp and chop them up. Not into a fine dice or anything, probably 1 shrimp into 3 pieces. So in the dip for Dipcember, people get a piece of shrimp, okay? It's not going to be full of a lot of filler. This is a delicious shrimp scampi dip. All right, our butter is hot, and let's get in our garlic and get it moving quickly. Let's get our shrimp. And And this will sit in a 350 oven for about 20 minutes. So our goal is not to cook these through. Just going to get them pink and curly. So there is our shrimp pinked up, and now I'm going to remove them from this Dutch oven. The reason you need a wide pan is you want to lay them like this in a single layer. So this is our shrimp chopped, small pieces, but not too tiny. So I'm reheating up my pan. And to this, we're going to add our lemon juice and our white wine. I just put it in the same bowl because, you know. Get it? Whoops, splishy splasher. We have simmering. So let's start with our sour cream. Cream of cheesy. I happen to use the creamy cream cheese this time. We can also put our mayonnaise in. Remember, we also have some Romano cheese. Let's get our white cheddar in here first. This is why you got to have clean hands. Turn our heat down a little bit. Get my pot holder. Ooh, melty, melty. Super grated Romano. Our little parsley. Ooh, smells good. Listen, saving $1 is saving $1. That's how I'm rolling. Okay, what else do we have on our little recipe? Okay, now we add our shrimp. The star of our Dipcember. And then we put this in a baking dish. But let's get this shrimp very warm. You're thinking, ooh, that looks gloopy. It ain't. So here is my small baking dish. It's an old blue willow. Look, there's a theme. Old. And let's sprinkle some cheese on the top. Again, clean hands. This is our white cheddar. And it's going to be about 20 to 25 minutes. We want it nice and bubbly. Dipcember shrimp scampi dip with fresh South Carolina coast shrimp. Oh, yeah. Oh, my goodness. Bubbling away. Ooh, can't wait to eat this. This is a beautiful and delicious thing. Oh, yeah. Ritz crackers, club crackers, whatever turns you on. Dipcember.